Hey there, looking to create a voiceover for your video? Well, in this video I'll be talking about the tool called Wavel. To get started, go to Wavel, click on the login button over on the top right corner, create your account by filling out the details here. This tool helps with multiple options like creating captions, subtitles, voiceovers, etc. But for this video, we'll be checking out the voiceover generation tool. Once you are on the dashboard, click on Create Voiceover on the top. Browse or drag and drop your required video from your system, or you can even export it via any public URL. Here, you also get an option to paste any content that you already have in text format. For that, click on the cross button over here and select the language you want the voiceover in. Select the language from the drop-down. Once you have selected the language, you'll have to select the voice type from the menu available here. Go over the list of voices available and make your desired choice. Next, you can either upload a document or paste the content directly into the box over here. In this case, I'll be using one of the content pieces I've on my system. Here we go. Once the file is uploaded or pasted, click on Process and let's get started. The processing takes some time, ranging from a few seconds to a few minutes depending on the size of your file. Once the processing is complete, it's time to start with the editing process. Here, there are two things that you have to check. First, the content is accurate, and second, the tonality that you require is up to the mark. You can play individual lines and make the changes, or you can play the entire audio, video and go over the entire script. Once you make any kind of changes, always make sure that you rebuild the TTS version, like this. Unless you click on Rebuild, the changes will not get saved. Further changes that you can work on include emphasizing any particular word or sentence, or how you want the word to be spoken, and even adding a pause before starting with the next word. For that, simply select the word like this and the menu pops up near the cursor as you can see on the screen. Now click on Emphasis and select from the 4 options available here. You can select any one of the options and check the result by replaying the line. In case you are not satisfied, go over the exercise again until the desired result is achieved. Similarly, the next option that you have is Say As. Once you click on Say As, the following menu opens up. Here you have the option to change the way the voiceover pronounces the particular word. That is, let's say you have a date written in the content that you want to be spoken in similar kind, you can opt for that, or let's say you have a bunch of numbers that you want to be spoken separately, you can choose Numbers from the drop-down menu. Once the type is selected, click on Save and play the line to see the results. The last one in the menu is Add Pause. Just like the word says, this option allows you to add pause before any particular word or set of words. Once you click on it, it takes you to the following menu. Now you can choose any time that is already available here, or alternatively add your own time in the space given over here. If you wish to make changes in the voice, click on the settings over here and you can change the accent, speaker, and even tonality. Based on how you want the changes to appear, that is, only in any particular line or throughout the script, select or deselect the Include All Sentences toggle switch. Once done, click on Save and Build. The system will update the changes throughout the script accordingly. Once you are satisfied with the changes and the file looks good to go, click on Download and voila, you have your voiceover data with you.